Mr. Depp, do you recall Ms. Heard testifying that you did not assist her in getting her role in Aquaman?
Yes, I do, yes.
And what is your response to that?
It's not exactly true.
So today, Johnny Depp has gone back to the stand to testify again, and he has been explaining that Amber lied when she said that she got her role in Aquaman by herself. He even remembers the date she first went to audition because he was scheduled with his bandmate the Vampires to perform at a rock and roll event, and they were practicing in Rio with Amber and her sister with them. Amber then told Johnny that she had to go back to Los Angeles for an audition, so after Johnny and his band had finished their performance, they went back to LA for Amber's audition. The problem was that the film was in Australia, and since Amber had had some legal issues in Australia, the directors were doubtful of choosing Amber. So Johnny had to call his contacts at Warner's Brothers, and the result was,
I can only say that ultimately she did get the job in the film. So hopefully I suppose I had curbed their worries to some degree.
He also said that Amber's testimonies of him taking a handful of MDAS, about 8 to 10, makes no sense whatsoever.
Have you ever consumed 8 to 10 MDMA pills at once?
No, ma'am. No, I have not.
And why is that?
Because I'd be dead. I'm pretty sure I'd be dead.
He explains that in his entire life he has taken MDMA for about 6 times, and in all those few times he had never consumed more than was enough to get him high. The entire time he is testifying, Amber is seen smirking and writing stuff in her notebook.
There were times when it was very agreeable, very nice. And then there were times when something had become dissatisfactory for her, and she would start the rant.
He even testified about the incident during their honeymoon where Amber had stated that Johnny had violently mishandled her and hit her. But according to Johnny, it was actually the other way around, and that on the picture evidence that Amber had presented in court, Johnny's face can be seen with a bruise on one of his eyes, and that it was from Amber herself.
How did the injury in this photograph occur?
I'm sure it hit me. Is that better?
Does this picture accurately reflect what you looked like on that date?
I don't look at myself much, but it certainly looks like me with a black eye.
He even said that Amber's claims that he had photoshopped that photo, which she herself had presented as evidence, was false because it is pretty hard to photoshop one person in a picture full of other people. The staircase story was then brought back to life.
Mr. Depp, do you recall Ms. Heard testifying that she punched you in the staircase incident because she thought of Kate Moss in the stairs?
Do I remember her saying that?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
This is a case that has been disproved over and over, with Kate Moss testifying that Johnny never pushed her and that he actually helped her. Johnny also testified that Kate Moss's statements were actually true and that he had told Amber of what had happened with Kate because of heavy rains and that Amber had used it against him. Today, Johnny has decided that he is going to tell the truth of every claim Amber had made against him, and it seems like it's going to go well with Johnny. That's it from us today. See you in our other videos.